goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Gazing at your beauty is where I want to be. The door slams shut, the man is gone, the key is in his hand. Alone again she wanders in her awful little land. No bed tonight, my little maid, as you wake for break of day, whispering in the blackness and shouting in the grey. Little goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Staring at your beauty is where I want to be. The dawn brings light and freshness through the windows of her cell. The hissing logs and barking dogs with stranger tales to tell, of cells beyond the wilderness. But why will they not say, and whisper in the blackness and shout in errant grey? Little goose maiden, put on that smock for me. Lusting at your beauty is where I want to be.